Sunday morning, I'm out here heading across the intercoastal. It's supposed to be windy, 20 mile per hour winds for sure, steady with gusts maybe up to 30. That's pushing it a little bit for me, I think, but this thing pedals pretty well, so I'm out in the middle of the intercoastal now. I don't know why I keep looking right and left for big barges. They don't go that fast, but I think I would see them coming from a long ways. My goal is to try to get on the leeward side of some of these islands out here, maybe where the wind isn't so bad. It's a south wind, so if I can get on the north side of these islands, I think it'll be better. That's all for now. What I almost got video of was a pod of dolphins feeding. You can still see them out there in front of that post in the middle of the video, but they were really circling and creating a ruckus, probably 4 or 5, maybe 6 of them, probably feeding on something. They've kind of settled down now. They're quieter, but that was pretty cool. And it's pretty cool to see animals that large out here when you're basically sitting on a kayak on top of the water. And also animals that are friendly, which I think is a real plus. Whoa. Wow. Got it, but wow, that wind got a little tough there at the end. We're up here now. All right, made it back in. That was a little rougher crossing that open bay and going through the cut there. A little rougher than before, but not bad. We're here.